Hello and welcome. My name is Mark Warner. I'm currently living down here in Torquey, and we're doing up the property as we speak, as well as trying to live in it as well. My wife working in the corner. We've got 2 kids and a cat and a dog. It can be a little bit busy. The reason for doing this is I used to work in IT for 10 years plus. Don't get me wrong, I've loved it to bits. I've enjoyed the actual interaction with people from their owners, but I've always wanted to do this. It's my dream job. I'm no kitchen expert, and so if you do make any comments, it's always welcome to help me along through the process from their owners. So if I was to put that forward into my next actual property, that would be a great help. But yeah, it's challenging, and the reason for doing this is the cost of it was around £7,500 to get a company in to do it as well. I wanted to save that money to invest it into other areas of the property, and from their owners, and as well to spend less money. If I can do it, I will 100%, and it will be a learning curve on the way. So watch this journey.
After realising I need a big machine.
What do we have? Surprising what things you find underneath cupboards. Absolutely.
Where's that?
Trying to do washing at the same time as well as ripping out a kitchen is challenging. Good morning. Going through the kitchen renovation. This is slightly challenging as we go on. This is my son. He was there, disappeared, and we're sort of going through the first fixes. The rip out. On Monday, the electricians are coming in to actually change that all from that onwards. Got to leave the sink in because we still need a sink. Hopefully, they won't need it. And what we have revealed on the floor is a nice terracotta style tiles. Not really my choice, but yeah, let's crack on. And shall we say hello to Jake?
Huh?
Say hello, Jake.
Hello?
Bye bye.
I am carefully removing the kitchen sink because this will be used as a temporary sink in the other room as I can continue and prep this room ready for the new kitchen when it arrives. Please continue to watch in part 2 of the installation of the new kitchen and follow my journey throughout the process. Thank you for watching.